Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about the Ninja Suite profits. Not everybody posts, but a lot of people do. We had some manual trades. Let's see if we scroll on down here. This gentleman here, he made 16.25 on one account and 18.50 on another. Jerry has been killing it. He's doing very well. He started off, he was ready to quit trading, and he ended up coming in here, getting trained, and now he makes profits daily. Sometimes it's a couple $100, sometimes it's a couple $1,000. I mean, he's doing very well. Very happy with him. David did some micros today. If you think about that, micros is just that's pretty good. He's only doing 3 micros, and he made that much. That is really good. I finished up today with my Apex accounts. $7,400 is what I finished up today. Vu, he ended up about $18,000 on his Apex accounts. Jerry, he's posting some more profits here. Scout God, he's done really well, $1,700. He's trading this on the new bot that we have. He was actually kind of a little bit behind on it, and as far as helping make it and get some settings and such, and it's done very well. Today I ended up making $1,500 on it, so and I shut it off. He kept on trading. Got some more accounts right here. One, two, three, four, five, six. So that's about a little under $3,000 for there. And Peter pulled up there. It's about average about $600 in accounts. That's about $7,000 on his 20 accounts. Go over to our SpyBot profits. Today I ended up making 15.35 on one bot, the new test bot. David ended up 142, and then also doing right here's the 13.36. That's after commissions. Omar ended up hitting about $190, and then Igre, he ended up doing 162.50. He just signed up. He is new to this, and he did this over 11 accounts. So 11 accounts, that's going to be what 150 and 11s, 15, 16, about 17, $1,800 is what he ended up making on that. That's really good. Mark ended up doing about 5,000 on one bot, the Coastal. Did really well. Not everybody posts the profits. We get a lot of them in there that they'll tell me, send me messages. They don't like to talk about what they made. Just don't want people to know more private about it. I personally don't care. I don't care what they, um, who knows what I make or whichever. This just on this. So I don't always post my manual trades on my main account, but I usually post my Apex accounts on here. So it's doing really well. Real happy with it. The people are doing real well. Um, Today was really busy. It was not that bad of a day to trade. It was actually pretty easy to trade if you have the right tools. And at Spy Money, we have the right tools. So going up here, this is my setup that I use. I change around a lot of different time frames and such. But I tell people what we use. It does really well. We got every indicator that you can think of that you would ever need on our website. So even the ones I pulled a lot of indicators off of my website, and I don't sell them anymore. I don't lease them or anything. They just stay in the Ninja Suite. We have one package that we do. If you want to be part of what we do, then that's where you got to go. The Ninja Suite. Click up here. When you click up here, this will open up. You can lease it right here on this button. Scroll down. Talk a little bit about it. A lot of different indicators. There's more than what I've got listed on here. A lot of your questions can be answered right here. And yes, number one, funded accounts. They work on funded accounts. They work on eval, sim, live, paid accounts, whichever. Apex is our number one. Click on there and there's a coupon on there for you. Here's a comparison between Apex and UProfit. Apex by far the best one. They $25,000 100% free, and you also get 90% of um, your trading money. So I mean, it's all in all real good. Since they changed the payout structure and such, this is number one by far. You can pull out twice a month on $50,000 account. You can pull out $2,000 per account twice a month. So it's $4,000 per account. So with me, I have 20 accounts. I'll be able to pull out $40,000 every 2 weeks. So I can do $80,000 a month pulled out of there. And that's what I plan on doing starting January 15th. If you need to contact me, contact here. Fill out your information, put your questions in here. If you need to talk to me, put in your phone number, where you are as far as let me know what time Eastern time to help me out. And then we can try to set up something. If you got any testimonials that you want to read about, you click up here. I'll never talk about this, but testimonials are just huge. We've got all kinds of them. These are recent too. I just copy and paste. I find them on Trustpilot and just pull them over here. So they are 100% accurate, what they are. So no, you can just scroll through, read about them. You can all down through here. There's little buttons you can click on. It talks about what we do and customer service and so forth. I try to my best to help everybody out and get everybody up and running. Whenever you do this, you're going to get into the back end, and this is what you're going to see. You're going to have to do the setup instructions. It takes about a half hour or so to get through. And then you're going to have to go through the bot perimeters. That's going to be about another probably 45 minutes or so, half hour, 45 minutes. Once you get through that, then you've got to go through the full backup. If you click on this, this will give you all of the indicators, bots, and everything to where you can just import it immediately. So it makes it real easy to get to it. And then we have individually, you can do them individually if you want. We have settings, tutorials on the bots, indicators, the training videos that we do daily. And my number one is the Brad strategy. This is what I trade with every day, and I teach how to use it, and I supply the indicators in order for you to do it. The indicators are proprietary to the Ninja Suite. They're not something that you can get off the shelf. These are custom made by me, and they work really well. Then we have our trade copier and our toolbar. The toolbar goes on the side of the chart so you can access your drawing tools a lot easier. And then we also have the P&L Excel worksheet, and we've also got a Ninja Trader 8 tips and tricks. These two right here are free. Anybody can get those. So just log into or go into the website, click on these right here, and no credit card necessary. You can get into it immediately. Again, go into the Ninja Suite. That's where you want to get started. Let me know how I can help, and we'll get you started trading in a day or two. Have a good day.